Hi, my name's Josh Burt from Action Corrosion. I'm here today to show you our in-house rust proofing service using our Rustproof Clear. We spray four drives, caravans and all kinds of trailers. Why is Rustproof Clear superior? Corrosion protection on four drives can be broken down primarily into three different products. You have coatings like the Rustproof Clear, you have electronic corrosion protection, which is voodoo. If you believe in goblins and witches, go for that. And if you don't believe me, you can go to RACQ or NRMA website and they have warnings about that product. And thirdly, you have like a tar-based product. Now that's a very good product, however it is tacky, doesn't look great, and if you do have rust popping up underneath it, you will not see it. Action Corrosion's Rustproof Clear is solely owned and made in Australia. It is a hard clear coating with UV stabilisers in it. Once applied and cured, it will repel water and sand, which means if you go out four-wheel driving for the day, it's just a matter of rinsing off your chassis rail and all the dust and sand and dirt will come off. Another advantage of Rustproof Clear is its look. It's a hard clear coating which has a glossy appearance that makes your vehicle look like new underneath. For more information about Action Corrosion's rust proofing service, please go to actioncorrosion.com.au.